Hi guys, I'm Lauren. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a full pumpkin spice inspired eye makeup tutorial for you. I actually went ahead and did my face makeup before I filmed this, so this video will just be focusing on the eyes. Today I'm using my Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. I love the warm orange tones in this, but it also has those fun pops of purple that I used on the lower lash line. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing an eye look for you, kind of like fall, a little bit of pumpkin spice inspired, but with my own little twist on it. So today I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. Breaking this back out. Haven't used this in a while, but I really love the warm tones of this. I feel like they're perfect for fall, but they've also got those pops of purple in here. So I think it's going to be really fun to do something with those on the lower lash line. So I'm going to be starting with this shade here called Extra Creamy using a packing brush and just set the entire lid. This is just going to give us a nice base for all of our other shadows to blend over. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Peanut Butter with this fluffy brush and just blend that into the crease. Just going to start building up that color there. Doesn't have to be precise and kind of be a little bit blown out. It's okay if it goes a little bit down onto the lid. With fall just around the corner, I've really been feeling inspired by like warm orange tones, the whole pumpkin spice vibe, even though I don't drink pumpkin spice lattes. But I love the whole cozy feeling of it. Now that we have that peanut butter shade built up in the crease, we're going to start working on the outer V. So I'm going to go in with the shade Nuts About You. I'm using this smaller tapered brush. This is by e.l.f. And I'm kind of going to go in, make like a V shape, following the natural crease of the eye, and start building up that color. Once you've got that color packed on to an intensity that you're happy with, just take that fluffier brush again and you just drag it into the crease a little bit, kind of blend out those edges some. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Peanut Butter Cup. I'm going to take this on the outer V as well. Even though this has some shimmer in it, I just kind of want to darken up that crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Peanut Brittle in the center here. This is a really nice warm coppery tone. I'm going to pack this with a flat shader brush onto the center of the lid. Next, I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush again without adding any more product and just blend it out. Also making sure to kind of blend over where those two colors meet, soften those edges. Next, to brighten up the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to be going in with this light gold shade called Bananas. But to make it a little bit more intense, I'm going to spray it with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. You can see it just gives it a little bit more intensity. Next, I'm going to go back in with that Peanut Brittle shade just to kind of add back to where that gold shade might have taken over a little bit. Blend those together. Taking that fluffy brush again, smoothing out any of the edges. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that white shade Extra Creamy again and just brighten up the brow bone a little. So now really quickly, I'm just going to take my Estée Lauder eyeliner in this shade Blackened Cocoa. I'm just going to do my lower waterline and then also tight line, so that upper waterline. Okay, now that we've done our tight lining, I'm just going to go in quickly with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner, do a wing. I'm also going to put falsies on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now liner and lashes are on, and I just used the Faux Mink Demi Wispies. So that's what I got on there. So now let's go in and finish the lower lash line. I'm going to take this short stiff brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to go in with the shade Jammin', that's kind of like this dark purple shade here, and run that along the lower lash line. So it's giving us a little bit of that smoky, smudged out look, but because it's got that purple hue to it, just gives it something a little bit different. Next, using that same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Jelly. So this is this brighter purple shade. I'm going to also run this along the lower lash line, but I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower because I want that shade to stick out some. Next, I'm going to take my Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit and do the lower lashes. So now the final step for the eyes, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to use this for my inner corner highlight. Okay guys, so here is the finished eye look. I hope that you like it. I just went in with my Marc Jacobs Cream and Sugar lipstick just to finish off the look. I think that these orange tones are going to be perfect for fall, and I love that it's a little bit more of a dramatic look and that we've got that purple in the lower lash line just to give it that extra pop. So if you like this video, please give me a like, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this to come. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.